Before we commence, may I kindly request everyone to settle down and switch their phones to silent mode. May I now request everyone to please rise for the national anthem. Photographers, please do not click pictures at this time.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. Namaste. On behalf of our chairperson, Pratibha Kunda, and her committee, I, Rashi Agarwal, Executive Secretary of Flow Hyderabad, extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guest, Ms. Nandini Gupta, Miss India 2023, Style Tattva mentors and Flow past chairpersons, Ms. Shubhra Maheshwari and Ms. Ritu Shah, and other distinguished members from the press and media, and our fellow Flow members. I request Chairperson Pratibha Kunda and our chief guest for today, Ms. Nandini Gupta, to grace the dais, please. I also request the Flow Style Tattva mentors, Ms. Shubhra Maheshwari and Ms. Ritu Shah, to grace the dais. Style Tattva convener, Ms. Sita Reddy. Co-conveners, Ms. Ritu Agarwal and Ms. Pooja Jain. Flow Style Tattva is more than an exhibition. It is a movement that celebrates women-led entrepreneurship, sustainable innovation, and regional craftsmanship. With over 200 curated brands from across India, supported by MSME partnerships, this two-day showcase promises an immersive and empowering experience for exhibitors and visitors alike. I can never stop if I talk about Style Tattva, so I will save the details for all these people on the dais here who are going to speak later today. But first, a small introduction for our radiant guest today, who flew in from Mumbai especially for supporting our effort, Ms. Nandini Gupta. Nandini Gupta is an Indian beauty pageant title holder who was crowned Femina Miss India World 2023. She represented India at the 72nd Miss World 2025, held right here in Hyderabad, and placed in the top 20. Born in September 2003 in Kota, Rajasthan, she completed her schooling from St. Paul's Senior Secondary School and is pursuing a degree in business management from Lala Lajpat Rai College, Mumbai. Actually, just finished, she told me right now. She grew up in a simple farming household surrounded by millets and grams. She wanted to be Miss India since she was 10 years old. Aligning with the Miss World Beauty Pageant's motto, Beauty with a Purpose, she started Project Ekta, which aims to bring lasting and meaningful changes in the lives of the differently abled. Welcome, Ms. Nandini. I now hand over to the chairperson to address the gathering.
Namaste and good afternoon to all our guests from the media, fellow Flow members gathered here today. It gives me immense joy and pride to welcome you to the press launch of the 5th edition of Flow Style Tattva, Hyderabad's signature fashion and lifestyle exhibition taking place on June 13th and 14th at Hightex Hall 2. As you know, Flow is Fiki Flow is the Fiki Ladies organization with 21 chapters and pan-India 12,000 plus members. Flow Style Tattva marks a milestone, 5th edition this year, since its inception in 2019, has evolved from an exhibition into a movement, a celebration of homegrown talent, grassroots entrepreneurship, and India's timeless traditions. It's a platform where ancient craftsmanship meets modern business, where women-led brands are nurtured, and where India's design heritage is reimagined for today's world. At Flow, we believe in doing business with purpose. Style Tattva is not just an exhibition, it's how we earn to empower. The proceeds from this platform help us run the organization and fund meaningful programs that uplift women across all levels. But while we grow our own ecosystem, we ensure others rise with us. We are proud to say we do business with heart, with values, and with soul. Style Tattva is where passion meets profit and impact is created at every step. For this edition, we have Honorable Mayor of Hyderabad, Mrs. Gadwal Vijayalakshmi as our chief guest, known for her dynamic leadership and vision for the city. Joining us as guests of honor are Ms. Poonam Sharma, our National President of Wikiflow, whose vision continues to inspire and empower women entrepreneurs across India. Ms. Dolly Jain, celebrity fashion designer and entrepreneur, bringing Indian traditions to the global stage with her signature style. Their presence adds great value to this milestone edition. With over 200 hand-picked brands across India, Style Tattva 2025 is a vibrant mix of fashion, textile, art, home decor, wellness, conscious living, and much more. Our initiative pavilion will showcase the revival of Dokra craft from Adilabad, bringing much needed visibility to this forgotten art form and its skilled makers. Additionally, we are curating a catalog of contemporary designs that blend tradition with modern utility, which will be made publicly available to encourage more orders and support these artisans. To further amplify this initiative, we are also bringing to life a documentary that tells the inspiring story behind the revival of this unique craft. In keeping up with this commitment to inclusive development, Flow has provided free stalls to weavers from our past initiatives, products from the prison departments, livelihood initiatives, and other social development programs are also on display, underscoring Flow's focus on empowerment through enterprise. Style Tattva is not just about shopping, it's about empowerment and social impact. This year, we are very proud to highlight that Style Tattva is now powered by MSME Department, Government of India. 60 stalls registered under MSME are eligible for reimbursement by the government, establishing Flow Style Tattva's stature in the exhibition circuit in India. A special MSME registration desk also will be provided for members to know more about the benefits of MSME and to help register for Udyam, which helps many small businesses to spread awareness of the benefits of MSME and the government support. I would like to thank our special guest who has joined us here today to support our flagship event of the year, Style Tattva 2025. A heartfelt thank you to Ms. Nandini Gupta, Miss India 2023 and one of our top 20 finalists of the recent Miss World pageant for her incredible backing and support to this initiative. My heartfelt thanks to Sita Reddy, our convener, who's put in a lot of work throughout this journey. Ritu Agarwal and Pooja Jain, our co-conveners, who worked with thorough dedication throughout. And to Ritu Shah and to Shubhra Maheshwari, our mentors, whose vision helped curate the entire team of Flow Style Tattva. Ultimately, it's the effort of the entire team who put it together. When a team comes together with purpose, passion, and unity, magic happens. This is the power of teamwork. Let Flow Style Tattva 2025 be remembered not only for its glamour, but for its purpose. Not only for its beauty, but for its heart. To our media friends, thank you for being the voice that carries these stories forward. I invite you all to join us at HITEX Hall 2 on June 13th and 14th to experience a celebration like no other, a confluence of culture, commerce, and creativity, all led by women. Thank you. And now I pass on the mic to Ms. Shubhra Maheshwari, our mentor. She will tell us more about the MSME too.
Thank you, Pratibha. A very good afternoon, everybody. Today, sitting here as the mentor of Flow Style Tattva brings back too much nostalgia, too many memories. sheer nostalgia. Style Tattva was launched in 2019 at Flow Hyderabad by our past chair, Ms. Sona Chatwani, with the purpose of supporting women entrepreneurs, keeping in mind the ethos of Flow, educate, empower, and elevate. We wanted to give a platform to women entrepreneurs to be able to showcase their products and multiply and grow their homegrown businesses. As I sit here speaking to all of you, I'm filled with immense pride and gratitude to celebrate the 5th edition of Flow Style Tattva. What started as a humble initiative has now grown into the most anticipated event in the rich cultural and entrepreneur calendar of Hyderabad. When we envisioned Flow Style Tattva, the idea was simple yet powerful: to create a space where women-led businesses flourish, to promote heritage crafts, textiles, handlooms, lost handicrafts, and sustainable ideas that could not find a marketplace, but let's then try to give them a voice. Over the years, this idea has evolved into a movement, a growing ecosystem of creators, collaborators, and conscious consumers. A team of more than 150 women working tirelessly for months at end. What you see here is just the face of Style Tattva, but we are supported by a battalion of women behind us who've been working day in and day out. I don't deserve also one bit of recognition what each member of Flow team of Style Tattva deserves because of the work that they have put into creating this giant euphoric experience. Hyderabad Flow has always supported women entrepreneurs by giving them a platform like pro bono stalls to marginalized committees, to our initiatives, to our support communities, to various traditional weaves of Telangana, to transgender communities. At various Style Tattva, the previous 4 editions, we have supported by giving all of these pro bono stalls, and we continue that feeling. The idea is to give pro bono space to people who cannot afford that space. And the biggest achievement this year, as Pratibha just mentioned, is the MSME tie-up. We at Flow Hyderabad must be the first organization to have tied up with MSME, where MSME has powered 60 vendors of our exhibition with their funding. 60 MSME registered vendors of Style Tattva now can claim up to 54,000 rupees towards the stall cost, along with an additional 25,000 towards contingency. This money would be refunded by MSME department to that vendor. Of course, there is a strict set of guidelines which government prescribes, and the vendor has to meet with those guidelines. But this also brings into the culture of registration, formalization, and structuring into women entrepreneurs. Women with homegrown businesses will now look forward to register themselves with MSME. The Udyam registration will come into place. And that is a huge milestone. It adds incredible value for our exhibitors, making a big leap in our mission to empower and elevate homegrown entrepreneurs. Flow has always tried to bring to its members the best schemes government has to offer. A lot of times it happens, government has policies, has offers, which never see the light of the day because women don't even get to know about them. It is our constant endeavor to bridge that gap, and this is a testimony to that. We will also be having a special MSME desk at Hitex to help women vendors get registered under MSME. I would encourage more and more businesses to take advantage of these opportunities. From threads of passion and patterns bold, we at Flow weave a story untold. At Style Tattva, vision ignites, a tapestry of dreams stitched into lights. Not just a showcase, but a stand we claim, each entrepreneur rising in her own name. And that is what Flow Style Tattva stands for. Thank you so much. I would now like to invite my co-colleague, co-mentor Ritusha to speak.
Thank you, Shubhra. Thank you, Pratibha. Welcome, Nandini. A very good afternoon to one and all. Namaste and a very hearty welcome. It gives me immense pride in sitting here today in front of all of you to officially launch Flow Style Tattva 2025. Each edition of Flow Style Tattva has brought with it a deeper sense of purpose. We've seen first-time entrepreneurs transform into confident brand owners. We've witnessed rural artisans find urban admirers and we've opened doors to thousands of new conversations about craft, culture, and commerce. We've moved from showcasing to storytelling, from selling products to celebrating journeys. This year's edition is not just a continuation, it is a culmination of everything we've aspired for. From the stunning revival of Dokra art to our expanded initiative pavilion, to free stalls for weavers and social enterprises, we've taken every step with intention and impact. Curation is simply something to watch out for this Style Tattva. If you are a designer type, we have a special designer pavilion. If you are eco-conscious and believe in sustainability, we have just the correct curation for you. From wedding wear to office wear, from handlooms and weaves to home and lifestyle, to men and kids and even shoes, we have it all. To me, the greatest success of Flow Style Tattva is not only the 10,000 plus footfall or the 220 number of stalls that we've curated for you, it is the community that we've built. The community that uplifts, connects, and believes in each other. To every member who has believed in this vision from edition 1 to edition 5 today, to every vendor who brought their passion to our platform, to every visitor who chose to support a handmade story, thank you from our hearts. Please do attend Style Tattva in large numbers and make it an effort worth it. You can exchange the WhatsApp invite for a free entry pass at the registration counter. I have seen the team, the co-conveners, the conveners, the chairperson, everybody work so hard. I have seen the team work day and night for past 6 months now, and this is the time for us to come together and make it a success. Welcoming each and everyone to Style Tattva High-Tech's Hall number 2, 13th and 14th of June. See you all. Thank you so much. From here, I hand it over to Sita, our convener.
Namaste. Good afternoon, everyone. As the convener of Flow Style Tattva 2025, I'm so happy to talk about the curation of this exhibition. Why I'm saying that I'm so happy? Because the hard work of 4 to 5 months we have put into this, curating this exhibition. This year, Flow Style Tattva features 205 stalls representing a vibrant cross-section of India's creative economy. These stalls have been carefully curated to reflect both scale and soul, bringing together the best of handlooms, designer wear, fashion accessories, jewelry, silverware, and also startups. What makes this edition truly special is the diversification of participation. We have entrepreneurs and artisans joining us from across the country: Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Lucknow, Jaipur, Bangalore, Chennai, and Patna, and from so many other places across the country, making this a uniquely pan-Indian experience under one roof. With over 12 product categories and formats, ranging from standard to premium stall classes, we have ensured that both legacy brands and first-time founders have a platform to shine. At the heart of this layout is the Initiative Pavilion, which is so close to our heart, which anchors this year's focus on heritage preservation. Here you will find the extraordinary work of Dokra artisans from Telangana. This 4,000-year-old legacy is reborn through design, intervention, training, market linkages facilitated by Flow. We are also allocating free stalls to weavers from Narayanpet, Koilagudam, and Siddipet. Every year, Flow takes up an initiative either in handlooms or craft, so that all the handlooms and handicrafts in the state of Telangana are adopted, and Flow works towards the development of these handlooms and handicrafts. In this direction only, every year we call these artisans and give them a place free of cost, and we handhold them for their market. This year, we are also showcasing products from prisons departments livelihood program. This is a new addition in our exhibition this year. These stalls in this pavilion are not only symbolic to our commitment to inclusion, but they are also among the most powerful storytelling spaces in the event. This is the place where tradition, art, and livelihood truly meets. So when it comes to overall curation of this exhibition, every aisle, every layout decision, every category was envisioned with the visitor's journey in mind. We wanted Flow Style Tattva not to feel like a marketplace, but like a walk through to the finest ideas has offered by the Indian designers. I must also acknowledge the immense effort of our curation, logistics, and planning teams. It takes months of coordination, negotiation, and hard to convert ideas into physical spaces. And I thank each and every volunteer and the partners who made this exhibition possible and also seamless. Thank you, everyone. Now I call upon the co-conveners for the Style Tattva, Ritu Agarwal and Pooja Jain, to speak few words.
Hello, everyone. It's been an exhilarating and deeply fulfilling journey leading the promotional campaign for Style Tattva, Flow Style Tattva 2025. From the very first teaser to the final media push, our aim was not just to create visibility, but to create resonance, to make Flow Style Tattva not just an event, but a reflection of the world we want to build. From print features to social media buzz, influencers, and outdoor promotions, we've taken Flow Style Tattva's message across platforms, across audiences, and straight into the heart of the city. We have inserts in media, 4 FOB boards, 5 hoardings, 15 bus shelters, 30 traffic booths, 35 influencer collaborations, 50 center median boards, 215 digital screens across 9 malls and multiplexes, 125,000 pamphlets. Our social media is buzzing with stories and posts, and followers are catching up. Influencers have been roped in to make the biggest ever culmination of a journey. Thank you to every volunteer, every media partner, and every Flow member who stood behind this effort, because you, Flow Style Tattva, because of you, Flow Style Tattva is not just an exhibition, it's a celebration of how we live, what we value, and what we are becoming. Thank you. I hand it over to Ritu Agarwal, my co-convener, with me.
Good afternoon. Support turns vision into reality. Yes, it's our sponsors. You complete us. Our diamond sponsor, Kalasha Fine Jewels, an award-winning handcrafted jewelry collection ranging from traditional bridals to classy delicate wear. Gold sponsor, Gallica India, with the USP of crafting exceptional spaces. Gallica is said to be epitome of modern comfort. Gold sponsor, Maurice, where the richness of India's handlooms, sarees meet the values of sustainability, heritage, and empowerment. Gold sponsor, Union Bank of India, yes, with its strong national presence and innovative banking solution, the bank continues to empower individuals and businesses. Gold sponsor, Evolve Jewels, crafting lab-grown diamonds with contemporary designs and unique cut to color stones and color diamonds. Silver sponsor, Amaris Jewels. Amaris is a luxury jewelry brand known for its rare craftsmanship and bold statement pieces. Our goodwill sponsor, Silver Star Mercedes, a place for luxury, performance, and innovation. We thank our advertising partners, One Vision and Build Dogs Group, for helping us paint the town red. We appreciate our decor partner, Carnation Weddings, for making our show look fab. Our heartfelt gratitude to all our sponsors. Thank you.
The floor is now open to the media for any questions you all may have. Sorry. Ms. Nandini Gupta will say a few words right now.
I should say Andiriki Namaskaram, first of all, to each and everyone who's present here. Well, I think now Hyderabad and I are deeply in love. And right after my Miss World, I'm back again in the city. And who would have thought? And I'm here in Hyderabad to promote something which I think will be very close to my heart after this. It is said that when women come together and women help women, incredible things happen. And I would say Style Tattva Flow is one of the incredible things that has happened because of women, where passion, purpose, compassion, and lot of integrity come together to build something, not overnight, but which takes lot of hard work from all the conveyors, from all the chairpersons and the people who are of the committee members. And I know that success doesn't come overnight from my personal experience. I'm sure that Style Tattva will go places. I'm sure that they have 22 chapters by now, and it'll continue to grow further. Previous years, they might have had 10,000 footfall, but I'm sure by this weekend, they will have it around 20 or more. And I would like to conclude. Everyone has beautifully explained what Style Tattva is. But in my own words, I would say that Style Tattva is not only an exhibition, but it is a chapter or a book, beautifully culminated by each and every woman who steps out of her house, draped in a beautiful sari, promoting something that she's wearing. Maybe it's jewelry, maybe it's an outfit. But to be able to bring something to life, to be able to empower women, and yes, empowered women empower women. And I'm so happy to promote something such as Dogra Craft this year, which I was doing during Miss World as well. We were promoting different Telangana handicrafts, kalamkari, pochampalli, double ikkat, and Kanjivaram saris. And to be able to promote something after that, I think Telangana has my heart, and now Flow Style Tattva as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Nandini. That was lovely. I open the floor to the media for any questions.
नमस्कार, मैं FM सलीम हूँ हिंदी मिलाप से। मैं जानना चाहूँगा एग्जैक्ट नंबर क्या है स्टॉल का, 200, 205 या 220। और दूसरा सवाल ये है कि पिछली बार जो फर्स्ट टाइमर्स थे उनमें से कितने लोग इस बार जगह बना पाए हैं?
See, you can talk.
We have 205 stalls this year, out of which more than 50% always come to our exhibition, and we encourage the other new members. Just because it's why we give it, like we don't encourage more than 40-50%, is just because we wanted to give the platform to the new women entrepreneurs, the new designers, because they will be introduced to Hyderabad.
एक मिनट, 205 स्टॉल्स हैं, प्लस हमने जो इनिशिएटिव्स के लिए टेबल्स रखे वो सब मिला के तो ऑलमोस्ट 220 तक हो जाते हैं. दैट इज, यू नो, बिकॉज दोज आर ऑल द फ्री स्टॉल्स एंड द फ्री टेबल्स.
ఇక్కడ తెలుగు మీడియా కూడా మనకు ఉన్నారు. మీకు ఏదన్నా కావాలంటే కూడా we can explain in Telugu.
Actually, I think we've given a lot of clarity. That's why no questions. I think. We've explained in detail about the whole exhibition.
Added to
From
that, press
beginning
note has
to ends.
everything.
Please, anything, please let.
Pardon?
Added to that, press note has everything in that.
Yeah, added to that, we made sure, everything is given. But still, anyway. Yeah?
Business and
లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ జరిగిన స్టైల్ తత్వ ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్కు ఎంత బిజినెస్ జరిగిండొచ్చు ఎంతమంది ఉపాధి పండించవచ్చు మేడం?
Last year business, Andy? Yeah? Yeah, 7 to 8 crores, Andy, approximately. Usually, we do not ask the vendors how much business they have done. So, this is an approximate figure we can, tell you. Yeah.
Is that all?
Is that? Yeah?
Oh, there
Yeah.
is one more question.
साल भर में आपने महिला उद्यमियों को प्रमोट करने के अलावा अगर कुछ और चैरिटी वर्क्स किए हैं या उनके जीवन में जो नए लोग हैं उनके जीवन को प्रभावित करने के लिए कुछ किस तरह के कुछ काम हैं तो वो भी बता सकते हैं?
Yeah, actually we other initiatives अगर आप दूसरे initiatives अगर हम क्या करते हैं बोले तो हम हमारे members के लिए upskilling करते हैं, नए sessions जो women entrepreneurs को सीखना चाहिए वो सब हमारे members को सिखाते हैं। साथ में हम grassroots में पूरा students के लिए classes लगाते हैं, digital literacy, tally classes, so that they are job ready. अभी इस बार 12 तारीख को बोनगिर में हम रूरल स्किल सेंटर भी शुरू कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे एक कॉलेज हमने गवर्नमेंट के साथ टाई अप करके लिया है जहाँ पे हम हज़ारों लोगों को ट्रेन कर सकते हैं इन डिफरेंट कोर्सेज। मतलब हम उनको जॉब रेडी करने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सिखा रहे एजुकेशन, कंप्यूटर सेशंस सो दैट दे कैन लर्न। उसके साथ साथ हम उनको सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी सिखा रहे हैं, फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी सिखा रहे हैं और विमेन के लिए वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम ब्यूटी पार्लर कोर्स से लेके हर चीज़ जो उनको वहाँ पे ज़रूरत है जिससे उन अपना बिजनेस खुद कर सकते हैं। तो ऐसे कोर्सेज हम आइडेंटिफाई कर चुके हैं, साल भर में करने वाले हैं। ये 12 तारीख हम बोनगिर में शुरू कर रहे हैं। एम्प्लॉयमेंट ड्राइव भी कर रहे हैं जहां हम हज़ारों लोगों को जॉब दिला सकते हैं। ये जुलाई में हमने प्लान किया है एम्प्लॉयमेंट ड्राइव। एंड डोकरा इज़ वेरी स्पेशल। इस बार हम एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री इसके लिए उसकी पूरी मतलब वो आर्ट कैसे बनता है, उसका हिस्ट्री क्या है, कहाँ से बना है, कैसे बनता है, ये पूरा का हमने एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाया है जो हम स्टाइल तत्वा में रिलीज़ करेंगे। उसके साथ साथ हम एक कैटलॉग भी रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं जिससे नए प्रोडक्ट्स लोगों तक जा सके और लोग ऑर्डर कर सके। ये डिजिटल भी कैटलॉग बनेगा जो हम सारे लोगों को डिज़ाइन के लिए देंगे और पीपल ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। अगर हमारा मोमेंटो आप देखते हैं इस साल वो भी डोकरा का बना है। हमने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इसी साल के लिए स्पेशली उनसे बनवाए हैं जो आज तक कभी नहीं बने हैं। बिकॉज इनके पास पुराना क्राफ्ट जो था तो सिर्फ मंदिरों में बिकता था या विलेजेस में छोटा बिकता था। तो ये जो 5 गांव जो लास्ट में बच गए हैं, दैट इज़ व्हाट आई शुड से। इन आदिलाबाद जब हम लोग गए थे तो बहुत छोटे ये विलेजेस में जो लोग हैं बस उतने ही बचे हैं। ये आर्ट इट्स डाइंग बिकॉज इनका मार्केट नहीं है। तो इसको हम रिवाइव कर रहे हैं और पूरा इसका आगे लेके जा रहे हैं, उनको बिजनेस दिखा रहे हैं, उनको डिज़ाइन ही नहीं हम डिज़ाइन खुद बनवा के उनसे सिखा रहे हैं, उनको ट्रेनिंग भी कर रहे हैं कि ये वाला फिनिश से आप बेच सकते हो, ये वाले प्रोडक्ट्स आप मार्केट में बिकते हैं। तो दैट काइंड ऑफ डिज़ाइन इंटरवेंशन हमारी तरफ से हो रहा है। हमारे टीम पूरा इतना दूर आदिलाबाद जा रहा है, उनके पास रह के सिखा के ट्रेन करके ला रहा है। और गवर्नमेंट ITDA के साथ हम टाई अप भी कर रहे हैं तो उन लोग भी बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं वहाँ लोकल आर्टिजन को फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट देने के लिए भी एंड उनको ट्रेनिंग के लिए भी और उनका जो रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए उसका अवेलेबिलिटी सब उन लोग भी बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग को। या पूरा इट्स लाइक अ कंप्लीट मार्केट।
It's not only the state ఎల్లోనే చేయటమే కాదు, whatever the handlooms and handicrafts ఫ్లో అడాప్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్లో వాళ్ళని హ్యాండ్ హోల్డ్ చేస్తూ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కానివ్వండి, డిజైన్ ఇంటర్వెన్షన్స్ కానివ్వండి చేసిన తర్వాత ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో వాళ్ళకి ఫ్రీగా స్టాల్ ఇవ్వడమే కాకుండా నేషనల్ చాప్టర్ నుంచి వెళ్ళి ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఒక క్యాటలాగ్ రెడీ చేస్తారు. జస్ట్ బిఫోర్ దీపావళి ముందర ఈ క్యాటలాగ్ రెడీ అయిపోతుంది. ఆ క్యాటలాగ్లో మన స్టేట్ నుంచి ఉన్న హ్యాండ్లూమ్స్ కానివ్వండి, లైక్ ఇప్పుడు మన ఈవెన్ హ్యాండిక్రాఫ్ట్స్ బిడ్రీ కానివ్వండి, చేరియాల్ కానివ్వండి, సిల్వర్ ఫిలిగ్రీ, నౌ డోక్రా, ఇవన్నీ ఐటమ్స్ని నేషనల్ క్యాటలాగ్లో అక్కడ ప్రింట్ చేపిస్తాం. అండ్ అక్కడి నుంచి ఇఫ్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద పాన్ ఇండియాలో, బికాజ్ ఫ్లో పాన్ ఇండియా హ్యాస్ మోర్ దెన్ 20,000 మెంబర్స్, ఆల్ 20,000 మెంబర్స్కి ఈ క్యాటలాగ్లో అది పంపిస్తారు. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ వాంట్ ఎనీ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీ స్టేట్, ఆ క్యాటలాగ్ నుంచి వాళ్ళు డైరెక్ట్గా అక్కడ నెంబర్స్ కూడా ఇక్కడ స్టేట్ నుంచి వెళ్ళి డైరెక్ట్ హ్యాండ్లూమ్ వీవర్సే కానివ్వండి, ఫిలిగ్రీకి సంబంధించిన వాళ్ళకి అందరు డైరెక్ట్ వాళ్ళ నెంబర్సే ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఆర్డర్స్ డైరెక్ట్గా వాళ్ళకే వెళ్తాయి, వాళ్ళే ఆర్డర్స్ తీసుకొని దే విల్ బీ లైక్ అది ఇట్స్ అ బిగ్ మార్కెట్ డ్యూరింగ్ దీపావళి టైం వాళ్ళకి.
That's all, I think. I would like to thank a lot many people for this wonderful event, which marks the official launch of Flow Style Tattva. Thank you, Ms. Nandini, for flying down. Thank you to the Style Tattva sponsors for making all of this effort worthwhile. Thank you to the press and media members for joining us today and taking our story to the world. Thank you to the Style Tattva mentors and past chairs, Ms. Shubhra Maheshwari and Ms. Ritu Shah. And last but not the least, to all the Style Tattva supporting Flow members gathered here today. I would like to now get the posters and the pictures first for